Hello, today we will guide you through how to use Whop Affiliates dashboard. To get started, open Whop and go to the home page. This is your main starting point, and from here you can access the affiliate tools you'll need. If you're already signed in, you should land directly on the home feed. If not, sign in first so the dashboard options are available. Once you're on the home page, look over to the left-hand navigation menu and click on Affiliates. This will take you into the area where Whop organizes its affiliate features. Think of this section as the central hub for managing referral options, exploring opportunities, and moving between different affiliate-related pages. After entering the affiliate section, click on Refer Buyers. This page is focused on buyer referrals, and it's where you can access tools related to sharing products or offers with potential customers. If you're learning the layout for the first time, it can be helpful to pause here for a moment and notice how the affiliate dashboard is structured, since several options are grouped closely together. Next, click on Refer Businesses. This section is different from buyer referrals because it's meant for referring businesses rather than individual customers. That makes it useful if your goal is to connect companies or creators with Whop instead of simply driving customer purchases. Understanding that distinction can help you choose the right referral path depending on who you want to target. From there, click on Affiliate Marketplace. This area is where you can browse affiliate opportunities and explore available partner programs. It's especially useful if you want to find offers to promote rather than only using your own referral links. The marketplace is typically where you'll discover programs that may fit your audience or content style. Once you're in that area, click on Refer Buyers again. This returns you to the buyer-focused referral section from within the affiliate flow. If you're switching between pages and options, this step helps you navigate back to the section where buyer referral actions are available. Finally, click on Apply to be a partner. This is the step that allows you to move forward with joining a partner opportunity. Depending on the program, there may be additional information to review after this, so take a moment to read the details carefully before submitting anything. That way you'll have a clear understanding of the requirements and expectations. That's how to use the Whop Affiliates dashboard. Once you've gone through these sections a few times, the layout becomes much easier to navigate, and you'll be able to move between referral options and partnership opportunities more confidently.